Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 709, two lowercase. Okay, so here is given a string. You have to do if there is an uppercase, you have to transform them to a lowercase. Okay, so this is an easy question, one of the easiest question of a string. You can use the direct function to convert it. Okay, so in string there is a to lower function which convert the uppercase into a lowercase. Okay, let's do this by using the function. First I will traverse through every character of the string. Okay, let's do this. For auto x in s, you have to transform x equals to 2 lower, which is the function x, and after this you just have to return the s. Okay, let's run this code. I hope this works fine. Okay, there is an error. Okay, there is an ampersand error. Let's run this code. I hope this will fine. Yeah, this works properly. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.